Good morning, children. Today we move on to see the next unit, that is Unit 4, Atomic Structure. Okay. So the first one is Dalton's atomic theory, atomic structure. What and all atom? What are the particles which is present in an atom? That and all you studied in your 6th standard, 7th standard lightly. Okay. So today in this chapter we are going to see what is Dalton's atomic theory, then J.J. Thomson's model, then fundamental particles. Okay. What are the experiment? Done to find the fundamental particles of an atom. Then what is valency, what is valence shell, valence electrons, then how types of ions, then how to balance a chemical equation. That and all we are going to see in this chapter. Okay. So first one is Dalton's atomic theory. So John Dalton, he only provided a basic theory to know about the nature of matter. Okay. The nature of matter. There are three physical states: solid, liquid, gases. So he provided the basic theory about the nature of matter. So he proposed a model of atom famously known as Dalton's atomic theory in 1808, based on his experiments. Okay. So these are the main postulates of this Dalton's atomic theory. First one, all matters made up of atoms. So all matters, maybe a solid, liquid, gas, water and all, it made up of small atoms. Okay. Atoms means it cannot divisible in further. Okay. Atom means we can't divide the atom in divide to further. Okay. So it's a all matters made up of atoms, small atoms. Okay. So next one is atoms of same element are identical in all aspects. All aspects means that element. For example, if you take hydrogen element, means the atoms of the hydrogen element, or all the atoms, all the hydrogen atoms are identical in all aspects. So it means the size, shape and mass. Okay. So atoms of same element. If hydrogen means hydrogen atoms, that hydrogen element, the hydrogen atoms, all the hydrogen atoms are having the same size, shape and mass. Okay. Then the third one, atoms of different elements have different sizes. If you take hydrogen element, one element hydrogen and another one is aluminium, means that hydrogen atom of hydrogen atom is different from aluminium atom. Okay. If hydrogen atoms, all the hydrogen atoms are same in size and shape, but atoms of different elements, if you take hydrogen and aluminium, means that hydrogen atom is different from aluminium atom. Okay. So atoms of different elements have different sizes and masses. Okay. That is the third thing. Okay. Then atoms of different elements may combine with each other to form molecules. For example, hydrogen and oxygen. If you take hydrogen and oxygen, it's an element. So hydrogen, the atoms of hydrogen element and oxygen element, atoms of oxygen element may combine with each other in a particular fixed proportion. Okay. Fixed proportion and undergo some chemical reaction. It may form a molecule or a compound. For example, in water H2O, here one hydrogen atom and two oxygen atom. So hydrogen one element and oxygen another element. Hydrogen one hydrogen atom and two oxygen atom. So there is a fixed proportion, 1:2. So that it undergoes some chemical reaction in a fixed proportion, means it may form a molecule or compounds. Okay. Then an atom is the smallest particle of matter that takes part in a chemical reaction. So atoms only take part in the chemical reaction. This is the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Then advantages means that Dalton's theory only explained most of the it explained mostly about the gases and liquids. Okay. It does not give any properties of solids. So it mainly explains about gases, the properties of gases and liquids. So this theory helps to recognize the molecular differences of elements and compounds. These are the advantages of Dalton's atomic theory. Then limitations. So this theory, this Dalton's atomic theory, the Dalton's theory failed to explain about the atoms of same element. For example, isotopes. Why hydrogen it fails to explain about the atoms of same element but having different masses. Protium, deuterium, tritium, that is 1h1, 1h2, 1h3, that is isotopes. It failed to explain about that, and it also failed to explain about the isobars, that is atoms of different elements may have same masses. There may be a different element, that atoms of different element, but they are having the same masses. This theory failed to explain about the isobars and isotopes. These are the limitations. Then one more is substances made up of same kind of atoms may have different properties. For example, coal, graphite, diamond. These are all different substances, but they are having the same atoms, that is carbon atom, but they are different in their property. Why? That and all Dalton's atomic theory failed to explain. Okay, this is about Dalton's atomic theory.